Welcome back to Date Jar Wednesday. What the hell's that?
Okay.
Welcome back to Date Jar Wednesday, where you can find weekly dates here on our channel. So if you're not subscribed right now, make sure you hit subscribe so you can get some weekly date ideas. Last week I chose Do a Project. Go check it out. Welcome to our Do a Project date. Our first stop is Michael's. And we are here to look for a new wreath because we don't have one for the springtime. It's time for a new one. I have a J at home, like a nice plaque J that I want to put on the wreath. So hopefully we'll find something that's affordable. And I have coupons, of course. That's good for today. 20%.
Trying to do it on a budget.
Yes, 20% off, including sale items. So
we'll see what we come up with.
Good. So these wreaths are kind of expensive. Talking about some $60. Even though I have my coupons, that's still too much for me. So the garland that they have here are $20, and then you can get the coupons with that. So I was thinking we could just get this plain one right here for $5, and then wrap the garland around, tie it all up. It'll look around about the same, hopefully. Trying to see which one looks nicer as a wreath. This one's $30. I don't like that price. There you go. Can you see it? My arm's in the way. Bam! Chain!
$60.
About to sell these. So we just left Michael's. We got the garland and we got that wreath, and I had coupons, so I got 40% off that wreath since it was original price. And then I got an email today with 20% off something, that including sale items. But both of them came out to $13, and I had a gift card, so basically it was kind of free.
The one that we were gonna get was like $60.
Yeah, $60.
We spent $13 to make it.
And I still got $9 left on my gift card.
It's gonna look good, if not better.
So we're going to attempt making this wreath. I've never seen this on Pinterest. I mean, I haven't really searched Pinterest on how to make a wreath. I know they have different ones. What the heck? All I'm trying to do is take a look. So this is the wreath we got, and our garland. This is our J that we're gonna try to put it on there too. We'll see how this goes. So this wreath is not even a circle, it looks like an oval. Alright.
So how you gonna make it all stay? You gonna glue it?
I was gonna use this wire.
Okay.
Alright, so it looks like the wreath that we chose is kind of oval looking. So I'm just gonna have it like this way. I don't know what angle the camera's pointing at. Like that. And then I'm going to use this wire and cut some and try to shape it and make it go through the actual wreath, so I can just tie in there and just go all around.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Oh, it's my birthday? Oh, thank you.
You're so excited. What you like?
The flowers are my favorite.
The flowers? Really?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Oh. Is it like sturdy? Let me see. Turn around.
But now we have to figure out how we're gonna get this J on. Placement of this J. It's kind of big.
Is it too heavy?
What happened?
Hold it right there.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
So I guess the J is okay. I think so. It's like and all we did was just use the wire, wrapped it around, and I just had this piece of fabric upstairs, and I just I threw a bow on there just to hide the green wire.
Yeah!
And just
Yay!
You got a crowd.
Yeah! I want to see this. Oh, it's my favorite, Daddy.
Look at this. I should start selling this. And so they sell this, basically the same thing at Michael's for like $60. This we spent $13, including it with our coupons. So it was really fun and easy to do this project.
See all my hard work that I did.
What did you do? Kenzie gave me the great motivation, how excited she was, which was so cute.
It turned out nice though. The wreath turned out nice.
Yeah, and it's like, I don't know how I think of these things. I'm sure there's a thing on Pinterest, but I didn't even look on Pinterest.
I know, it's just kind of just went with the flow.
Yeah, because I know they sell garlands in Michael's, and I know they have the wreath for like mad cheap, and especially with the coupon, instead of buying a $60 wreath, right there we spent $13. So
just made it ourselves.
yeah, so if you guys were thinking about buying a wreath, just make it. It's so much easier. I barely needed any supplies. So if you have any questions at all,
Call her. Get her to make it.
yeah, I could make it. And I could ship it to you too. So if you want me to do that, I could do that too. I could start selling them. But if you do want to make it yourself, just leave a comment below. And if you need any help, just ask. Time for a new day. Stop looking at the game. How are we supposed to make a video and he's watching basketball on the side? What? Get drinks right now.
Oh.
Well, obviously it's not going to be right now.
See, that was before Mackenzie, so at that time we could have just went and dropped everything and just went to a bar or something. We can't do that right now, obviously. So we just gotta plan around it. So we gotta go out for drinks this weekend.
I want to be cool.
Oh, this weekend, find us in a bar near you.
Really? A bar near you. It'll be fun. So make sure you tune in next week for our recap and also our next date selection. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and also comment below, what are your favorite drinks? Alcoholic drinks.
Oh God.
Because I need a new favorite drink and I'm tired of Jack. I'm tired of whiskey. I like fruity.
You can tell she doesn't get out much.
Yeah, so please, I'm actually begging you, help me get a new favorite drink. So please share it with us.
Oh
Thanks.
man, well this is gonna be fun.
Also follow us on Instagram at the James Bond Blog. See y'all next week.
Peace.